Now we consider the eye pattern. The intersymbol interference in data transmission can be studied with the help of a display in the oscilloscope called the eye pattern. The received distorted wave is applied to the vertical deflection plate of an oscilloscope, and the shortwave wave at a rate equal to the transmitted symbol rate of, if TB is the bit duration, then the symbol rate will be 1 by TB. So it is applied to the horizontal deflection plates. The waveform in successive symbol intervals are thus translated into one interval on the oscilloscope display. So consider, uh, just for an example, consider this. This is the bit duration, say, and we are receiving this type of waveform. It is a polar in nature. Something like this. 6 1 0 1 1 0 1, say. So in the CRO display, what we have, display is set. This is TB. This is also TB. So first it will display this one. In second trace it will display this one. In third trace it will display this one. Fourth trace it will display this one. Fifth it will display this one. And last, this one will be displayed. So effectively, as you can see, and if we plot for other values as well, ultimately this results in a pattern like a human eye, something like this. That is why it is called the eye pattern. So now to understand this eye pattern, let us try to redraw it. So that we can get some idea what informations we can get from the eye pattern. So this is the eye pattern. The opening of eye, this is the opening of eye. This one will give you the noise margin. Now we have to take the samples when the eye opening is maximum. So this is the best sampling time. So this portion will give you the best sampling time, because at this position the noise margin is highest. This section will give you the maximum distortion. This portion gives us distortion of zero crossing. So these are different informations available from this eye pattern. So when the effect of ISI is excessive, the eye is completely closed, or even there will not be an eye at all in the eye pattern. There will be no eye, so there will be a cross type of thing. And under this condition, the link will be completely distorted. So we have to take some other measures to. That means the link is completely filled with ISI when there is no eye pattern, and so we have to adjust or readjust. All those things are there. So this eye pattern tells us about how much the signaling link or the link, digital link, is affected by ISI. And the first thing to establish a particular link, the first thing we do is to observe this eye pattern to understand the effect of ISI.